Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a bootable USB flash drive for Ubuntu and the steps to get it made. Firstly, we're going to start by plugging in our flash drive to the computer. We can, if it pops up later, just go ahead and close it because we don't need it right now, but we will need it later. First things first, we're going to need to download this free tool right here, which is called Rufus, which is how we're going to make the bootable USB drive. It's free to download. If you don't already have it installed, here's how to do it. Open up a web browser and go Rufus bootable. Create here, it's popped up. Create Rufus create bootable USB drive download. Click on the first link that comes up, and then you go back into this. Just scroll down and click on the first link that comes up. Right here, this is what works for me. And then go ahead and set it up. Once you have that installed, we will need to download a Ubuntu ISO file, and to do that, we're going to go to a web browser. We're going to search Ubuntu desktop, download, click on it, and then come to a page that says download Ubuntu desktop, and then open that up, and then hit accept and visit all. Right here is going to be, we're going to need to, so we're just going to click on this one because it's going to be the latest one. Click on download right here. And the download should start, so the download has started. And then wait for that to complete. I'm not going to need to download that since I already have one on my computer. Yeah. Where is it? So this is the one I'm going to be using, since I already have one. So I'm just going to, move it to my desktop. Copy that over. Just to make it easier to find once you have one. I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. Just wait for that to copy, and I'll show you how to get that up. Of course, you might already have a Ubuntu ISO file downloaded. But yeah, that's if you don't. Okay, so if you already have one, all you're going to want to do now is open, once the ISO file downloads, go ahead and open up Rufus. Yes. Now, it auto detected my thumb drive that I plugged in before, and I can, let me just double check that's the right one, so we don't go with the wrong drive here. So thumb drive H, and then here, thumb drive H, so it's pretty good at detecting the right one. And then, all we're going to do is, it says, disk or ISO image, please select. Click on select, then find where you have yours, right here. So I have mine on the desktop. Click on it and then hit open, and then simply just go ahead and hit start, and then this is just saying here, okay, yes, okay. And that shouldn't take too long. It's popped up here because it's creating all those partitions. We're just gonna wait for that to copy. It might take a sec. When it's done, it should pop up with a screen like this, and what you're gonna do from here is hit close, and then we can go ahead and eject our flash drive. And now all we gotta do from here is install it on our machine. I'm gonna show you how to do that now. Alright, first thing you're gonna do after you plug in the USB drive to your computer when it's powered off is just go ahead and power it on. And then we need to boot to the BIOS. Now, for whatever your computer is, it's going to be different for all of them, but on Dell's, it's going to be F12. And then once we get into this window, I'm just going to simply use the arrow keys on the keyboard and come down to where it says our flash drive right here as an option. And I'm just going to hit enter. And then it's going to come up with a screen. So I'm going to hit enter on try or install Ubuntu. And then we're going to just wait for that to load. And it should bring up a screen that looks just like this. It's just gonna take a second to load here. It should bring up two options in just a sec. So it's gonna give us two options. It's gonna either let us try out Ubuntu to see if we like it, or install it. So I'm just gonna install it. We can select the language. So we're just gonna hit install Ubuntu right here. And it's gonna load. And then this is where it's gonna bring in a setup screen. So go ahead and choose what's right for you. I'm just gonna leave that like so. You can connect to the internet, but I'm not gonna connect any right now. It's gonna be auto set to that, so you can change that if you want to. But I won't do that. Then right here, all you want to do is just wait for that to load. And then I just recommend leaving it as normal installation. Continue. And it's just gonna load. And then we're gonna go here. So I'm gonna choose erase disk and install Ubuntu, or we can install it alongside Windows Boot Manager. So I might actually do that. So we can have Windows and Ubuntu installed on the same disk. Hit install now. Or if you only want Ubuntu, you can, but I'm just gonna hit continue. So just wait for that. Select your thing. Just gonna leave that. Put in a name. Once you put in a name right here, you can put a password. I'm just gonna set it to log in automatically, even with a password, because I don't want to have to put it in every time. That's what you have to do. So once you hit a password on the computer, just go ahead and click continue to continue the setup and install. Alright, so it's not liking our username, so I'm just gonna have to change that. Let me type here. I hope it's not in the way of the camera. Put our channel name. How about that? Continue. Should let it do it now. Okay. Copying files across to the drive. And the one I chose is still going to let us have Windows. Go ahead and wait for that to finish. It has popped up a message saying restart now. Go ahead, click on that. So it is asking us to please remove installation media and then hit enter. So go ahead and do that. Now it's going to ask us if we want to go into Windows or Ubuntu, since I have both, but if you only have Ubuntu it won't. So I'm just going to hit Ubuntu. And that is it. That's all we have to do. It's gonna have a couple things up here. Just go through all that crap. That's all we have to do to install Ubuntu on the laptop. I mean, it works perfectly fine. The drive isn't in there. It is installed on the computer. I hope that helps. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what you need help with and what you want to see next. And peace out.